First, let's talk about the BRRRR strategy and what it stands for. The BRRRR strategy is an acronym. So BRRRR stands for you buy a distressed property, you rehab it, you rent it out, and then you refinance it, pull your cash out, and then repeat the process all over again. What the BRRRR strategy allows you to do is three things, really, right? One is really removes a capital constraint. So you can, because you're forcing the appreciation in a short period of time and you're refinancing it to pull your cash out, you can use that same cash to do the next deal and the next deal, right? So it removes a capital constraint. Number two, you can buy properties for a lot cheaper this way, right? Because properties that need a lot of work in terms of rehab, you can buy it for a lot cheaper as well. So you can buy it for cents in the dollar. And then third is you can really force the appreciation using the BRRRR strategy, right? Which is what we love. It's like instead of waiting for 10, 15 years for the property to appreciate, we can do it in 3 to 6 months. And that's again, another power of the BRRRR strategy. So we really like the BRRRR strategy when we first got into it, and we knew that that's what we wanted to do.